Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh and this is my ninth tutorial on iOS development. My today's topic is UIButton. A UIButton is a class provided by UIKit. A button is a user interface element that can respond to user interactions. Let's understand this. So let's add a element label on the interface builder. Let's add a button too. So for a label, let's add at a top space and center horizontally in the view controller. For a button, let's add a space from label and let's make it center to the view. So now we have two elements in the interface builder. Click on this icon, click on view controller. Now click on the button, right click on it, and we have touch up inside property. Just drag this over the controller. We have button submit action, and let's create a label, an outlet for label, which is again right click on label and drag it over here, label heading. So what we gonna do is on a click of button, we will just update the text on the label heading dot text and update text to button clicked. Let's run it on simulator and let's see the result. So when we click on this button, the text on label is updated. So this is working. Thanks. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel for more videos on iOS development and skilled learning.